nitong ating cheap and affordable portable projector from Shopee and Lazada. And disclaimer lang po, this video is not sponsored. This video review is based on my personal experience of the actual product. So some parts and contents of this video may not be 100% accurate. So without further ado, let's start. And please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. So this portable projector retails for less than 1,500 pesos. So this is the cheap projector from Shopee and Lazada. So this is the UC28 portable projector. So here are some of the specifications. So it has a 320 by 240 resolution with adjustable focus lens. It has a built-in speakers, a cooling fan. It is compatible with tripod. It has a dual voltage power supply, audio output jack for headphones or external speaker. It is convenient and it has an input of AV, USB and SD cards, a powerful 20,000 hours LED lamp, and it has a 48 lumens for brilliant picture. So inside the box, mayroon tayong remote, the audio and video input, ang power adapter, and the UC28 portable projector itself. Now for the UC28 portable projector, as you can see sa kanyang top part, nandyan ang kanyang power button, and sa side naman niya sa bottom right part, may mga keys for enter, the left and the right button, input and escape. So magagamit mo to if you are using the USB or the flash drive. Sa harap naman, nandyan yung kanyang pinaka lens na mayroong rubber protector. Sa kanya namang left side, makikita natin ang USB port, the audio and video input, SD card, at ang kanyang fan, yung tinatawag natin na cooling fan. Sa kanya namang back part, makikita natin ang VGA port, HDMI port, at ang infrared or the IR blaster na ginagamitan ng remote. Sa kanya namang right side, makikita natin ang kanyang headphone jack or the speaker jack. And then, andyan yung ating DC in o yung saksakan ng ating jack. At sa ilalim naman, makikita natin dyan ang dalawang speakers. Ang tatlong stand na may rubber. At yung kanyang tripod slot. It has a dimension of 5 by 4.75 by 2.3. A projection distance of 1 to 4 meters. An image size of 20 to 100 inches, a resolution of 320 by 240, and a brightness of 48 lumens. So, may recommend ko ba ang portable projector na ito? The answer is yes. In a way na please manage your expectation. Again, this is a portable and cheap projector. So, I guess, wag tayo masyadong mag-expect ng high-end na projector. But again, for a price of less than 1,500, okay na itong cheap and portable projector natin. Dahil nga given na 48 lumen siya, this portable projector requires a total dark room. So, medyo malabo siya. At maisasuggest ko lang na this portable projector is good for personal use only. You can see, napakaliit lang niya. So handy siya, madali siyang dalhin. Kung kayo yung klase ng tao na walang LED TV sa bahay, so pwede nyo tong gamitin kasi flash drive lang, gagana na siya. That's it for today's video. I hope nakatulong po ako sa inyong mga naghahanap ng portable at murang projector. Again, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye-bye!